Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. Golden, fluffy and kissed with olive oil, this potato focaccia melts in your mouth and brings the warmth of Italian cuisine right to your table. Soft on the inside and crispy on the edge, this potato focaccia combines creamy mashed russet with fragrant oregano and rich olive oil for a truly irresistible bite. Perfect for sharing, dipping or enjoying warm, straight from the oven. Rustic comfort at its best. Like and subscribe. Instruction. Boil 3 russet potatoes until soft. Drain, cool slightly, peel and mash until smooth. Mix mashed potato with 20 grams of sea salt and 500 grams of flour until well combined. Set aside. In a separate bowl with 30 grams of dry yeast into 250 milliliters of room temperature water until dissolves. Pour the yeast mixture into the potato flour mix. Mix until a soft dough forms. Fold in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Coat a sheet pan with 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Place the dough in the pan sheet and let it rest for 10 minutes. Gently stretch the dough evenly to fit the pan. Sprinkle with 4 pinches of oregano. Cover and let it prove for 1.5 hours or until double in size. Let's bake this focaccia. Preheat the oven at 450 Fahrenheit, 230 degrees. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown and crisp on the edge. Slice and serve warm. Perfect on its own or with a dip, soup or cheese.